Looks like almost, what? 10 inches anyway. Well, obviously, this thing is heavy. I wanted to get out here earlier, but I wasn't able to get out here earlier. I mean, 10 inches of snow is a lot of freaking snow. But this is a 66-foot sidewalk. And I have no place to push it. I want to put a thing this way so I have stronger push and I can still keep the front lifted up. Not gonna kid you, it's work. Certainly would have been easier if I got out here when there was 4 inches and did it a couple times. Trying to move 10 inches of snow is certainly a challenge. And as I mentioned, I think if I was able to push like this, that would give me better leverage. But also, this is 66 feet. I can tell you if I was out here with a shovel, it'd be work. It wouldn't be 5 minutes. I do think if my motor was stronger, you could probably push it. Good enough. That's my goal, the sidewalk. Look at the snow coming down. Okay. That's it.